Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on mastering financial literacy and money management. In today's dynamic world, the ability to navigate personal finances effectively is crucial for achieving financial security and independence. Whether you're planning for the future, making investments, or managing debt, having a solid understanding of financial principles empowers you to make informed decisions and build a stable financial future. Step 1. Understanding the importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy serves as the bedrock of sound financial decision-making, providing individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the complex landscape of personal finance effectively. At its core, financial literacy encompasses a broad spectrum of concepts, including budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and retirement planning. By mastering financial literacy, individuals can take control of their financial future, setting themselves on a path towards financial security and independence. Understanding the fundamentals of personal finance empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their money, ensuring that they can effectively manage their resources, achieve their financial goals, and weather unexpected financial challenges. Moreover, financial literacy is not only essential for individual financial well-being, but also for the broader economy. A financially literate population contributes to economic stability and growth by making sound financial decisions, responsibly managing debt, and participating in the financial markets intelligently. In today's increasingly complex financial landscape, the importance of financial literacy cannot be overstated. From navigating student loans and credit card debt to planning for retirement and investing for the future, the ability to make informed financial decisions is critical for individuals of all ages and income levels. By prioritizing financial literacy and investing in financial education, individuals can build a solid foundation for a brighter financial future. Step 2. Budgeting and financial planning. Budgeting and financial planning are fundamental pillars of effective money management, providing individuals with the framework to align their financial decisions with their goals and priorities. Budgeting involves the strategic allocation of income towards various expenses, savings, and investments, ensuring that every dollar is allocated purposefully. A well-crafted budget serves as a roadmap for financial success, allowing individuals to track their spending, identify areas for improvement, and make adjustments as needed to stay on course. By establishing a budget, individuals gain clarity on their financial situation, enabling them to make informed decisions about their spending habits and savings goals. Financial planning goes hand in hand with budgeting, helping individuals set and achieve their short-term and long-term financial objectives. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a home, planning for a child's education, or building a retirement nest egg, financial planning provides individuals with the tools and strategies to turn their financial goals into reality. To create an effective budget and financial plan, individuals should start by assessing their current financial situation, including income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. They should then establish clear financial goals and prioritize them based on their values and aspirations. Finally, they should develop a budget and financial plan that allocates resources towards their goals while also accounting for unexpected expenses and emergencies. By mastering budgeting and financial planning, individuals can take control of their finances, reduce financial stress, and work towards a future of financial stability and prosperity. Step 3. Investing and wealth building. Investing is a cornerstone of wealth building, allowing individuals to grow their financial resources over time and work towards achieving their long-term financial goals. While investing comes with risks, understanding the principles of investing and developing a diversified investment strategy can help individuals maximize their returns while mitigating potential losses. One of the key principles of investing is the power of compound interest, which allows invested funds to grow exponentially over time. By starting early and consistently contributing to investment accounts such as retirement accounts or brokerage accounts, individuals can take advantage of compounding to accelerate their wealth accumulation. Diversification is another essential concept in investing, involving spreading investment funds across a variety of asset classes to reduce risk. By diversifying their investment portfolio, individuals can minimize the impact of market fluctuations and potentially enhance their returns. When it comes to wealth building, it's crucial for individuals to align their investment strategy with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether it's investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets, individuals should carefully evaluate their investment options and seek guidance from financial professionals if needed. Additionally, wealth building requires discipline and patience. While investing can yield significant returns over the long term, it's essential for individuals to remain focused on their investment objectives and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By mastering the principles of investing and implementing a disciplined investment strategy, individuals can build wealth, achieve financial independence, and secure their financial future for themselves and their families. Step 4. Managing debt and credit. Effective management of debt and credit is crucial for maintaining financial health and stability. Debt management involves understanding the different types of debt individuals may incur, such as credit card debt, student loans, mortgages, and personal loans. By gaining insight into their debt obligations, individuals can develop strategies to responsibly manage and repay their debts. One of the first steps in managing debt is to create a comprehensive overview of all outstanding debts, including balances, interest rates, and repayment terms. This allows individuals to prioritize their debts and develop a repayment plan that aligns with their financial goals and capabilities. When it comes to credit management, individuals should actively monitor their credit reports and scores to ensure accuracy and identify areas for improvement. Maintaining a good credit score is essential for accessing favorable interest rates on loans and credit cards, as well as for securing housing and employment opportunities. To effectively manage credit, individuals should use credit cards responsibly, making timely payments and keeping balances low relative to their credit limits. Avoiding excessive debt and maintaining a healthy credit utilization ratio can help individuals build and maintain strong credit profiles. In cases where debt becomes overwhelming, individuals may consider debt consolidation or debt repayment strategies to streamline their payments and reduce interest costs. Seeking guidance from financial professionals can provide individuals with the support and resources needed to overcome debt challenges and regain financial stability. By mastering the management of debt and credit, individuals can alleviate financial stress, improve their creditworthiness, and pave the way towards a brighter financial future. Step 5. Planning for the future. Planning for the future is essential for achieving long-term financial security and realizing one's financial goals and aspirations. This step involves assessing one's current financial situation, identifying future financial needs and objectives, and developing a comprehensive plan to achieve them. One of the key aspects of planning for the future is retirement planning. Individuals should evaluate their retirement goals, estimate their retirement expenses, and determine how much they need to save to maintain their desired standard of living in retirement. By starting early and contributing regularly to retirement accounts, individuals can build a substantial nest egg to support them during their retirement years. In addition to retirement planning, individuals should also consider other long-term financial goals, such as purchasing a home, funding a child's education, or starting a business. By setting clear objectives and developing a plan to achieve them, individuals can take proactive steps towards realizing their dreams and aspirations. Moreover, planning for the future involves anticipating and preparing for unexpected events and emergencies. This may include creating an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, purchasing insurance to protect against unforeseen risks, and establishing a will or estate plan to ensure that one's assets are distributed according to their wishes. By taking a proactive approach to planning for the future, individuals can gain peace of mind knowing that they are prepared for whatever life may bring. Whether it's saving for retirement, achieving long-term financial goals, or protecting against unexpected events, planning for the future is essential for building a secure and prosperous financial future. Step 6. Practicing financial discipline and resilience. Financial discipline and resilience are essential qualities for maintaining financial stability and overcoming challenges on the path to financial success. Financial discipline involves living within one's means, making wise financial decisions, and adhering to a budget or financial plan consistently. By exercising self-control and avoiding impulsive spending, individuals can prioritize their financial goals and work towards achieving them methodically. Resilience, on the other hand, is the ability to bounce back from financial setbacks and adapt to changing circumstances. Financial resilience involves being prepared for unexpected expenses or emergencies, maintaining a positive attitude towards money, and staying focused on long-term financial objectives despite temporary setbacks. It requires flexibility, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from past mistakes. To practice financial discipline, individuals should track their spending, identify areas where they can cut expenses, and avoid unnecessary debt. They should set realistic financial goals and develop a plan to achieve them, making adjustments as needed along the way. By cultivating disciplined financial habits, individuals can build a solid foundation for financial stability and success. In times of financial hardship or adversity, resilience becomes especially important. Individuals should remain calm and composed, assess their options objectively, and take proactive steps to address the situation. This may involve tapping into emergency savings, seeking assistance from family or community resources, or exploring alternative sources of income. By combining financial discipline with resilience, individuals can weather financial challenges with confidence and emerge stronger and more resilient than before. By staying true to their financial principles and remaining focused on their long-term goals, individuals can navigate life's financial ups and downs with grace and determination. Conclusion: financial literacy empowers individuals to take control of their finances and build a secure financial future. By understanding the importance of financial literacy, mastering budgeting and financial planning, investing wisely, managing debt and credit responsibly, planning for the future, and practicing financial discipline and resilience, individuals can achieve financial security and independence. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on financial literacy and money management. Share your experiences with financial management in the comments below. And remember, with knowledge and discipline, you can take control of your finances and build the future you desire. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips from us and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.